guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to share this look with you guys, and this is get ready with me for wedding season. So from today I will be doing more of makeup tutorials, and this will be definitely for the wedding season. So guys, if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. Any color combination or any sort of makeup you want to see, let me know in the comment section below. And in today's video I have created this beautiful glittery look, and I absolutely love this lashes. These are by Kingdom of Lashes. So here are the 4 glitters. You can see they have sent me this beautiful 4 glitters. So let's talk about them. The one I have used today is called as Fuchsia Blue, and look at that shade. It's so beautiful, and the glitters are so finely milled, and it also packs down really well. It's not chunky at all. The next shade I have got, this is called Ancient Gold, and this is how the glitter looks like. You can see I am definitely going to swatch it for you guys. The next one I have got is Ancient Red, and this is how the glitter looks like. Oh my god, it is so pretty again. And the last one I have got is Sunflower Gold. The lashes they have recently launched. The one I am wearing is called as Amy, and this is a very beautiful fluffy lash which I absolutely loved. The next one they have sent me is this one. This is called as Lily lashes, and the last one is this one. This is called as Bailey, and this is such a dramatic lash. I'm definitely going to use this. You guys know I love dramatic lashes, so definitely going to use this. So the lashes I have, 70% of them are from Kingdom of Lashes, and I used to love eye candy, and unfortunately I don't have it anymore. So they have sent me another pair of eye candy, and I'm so very thankful to them. Thank you so much for sending this across. I am going to mention their link down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Definitely you can try their lashes. Those are beautiful and amazing, and they have thick lash bands, so there's no problem. And they also have their lash glue. You can check their page out. They have an eyeshadow palette as well. So yeah, that is it. If you guys want to see how I create this beautiful gorgeous wedding look, then please keep on watching. look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, do give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I am going to mention the product details down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.